Hi friends, this is Mr. Sampatanna from PTV News. Fake encounter in Telangana, Civil Liberties Committee of Telangana. Today morning 4 a.m., one encounter happened by the police and Maoists at the Telangana State, Mulgu District, Etur Nagaram Mandal, Ailapur Forest. 7 Maoists killed by the police, announced police officers. But that encounter fake gave poison food to Maoist with police informers. Maoist ate to the poison food and went unconscious after the police handed them and tortured them. After the police point blank gunfired and killed to 7 Maoists, said Civil Liberties Committee of Telangana. And 7 killed, Maoist got terrible big injuries, but police did not get any injuries in the encounter, said Civil Liberties Committee of Telangana. And judicial inquiry should be conducted by the sitting judge, demanded Civil Liberties Committee of Telangana. And post-mortem of Maoists' dead bodies should be conducted under the expert doctors, demanded Civil Liberties Committee Telangana. And file criminal cases on police who involved in the fake encounter, demanded Civil Liberties Committee of Telangana. And CM Revanth Reddy implementing to Kagar operation in Telangana in reopen democracy, said Civil Liberties Committee of Telangana.